In this video, I'm going to Bronze 1. Yes, you guys heard me right. Hey, what's going on everyone? 1DoctorGenius here, and I'm going beyond Bronze 1. So without further ado, let's get on straight to that. So yeah, go to battle. Boom. Battle selected. Let's go and battle this person and see how this battle goes. Alright guys? Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm super close, like I'm literally on spots to going to Bronze 1. So there is no way I'm going to lose this battle whatsoever, so let's quickly do this. Now of course, what I know over here is that this character is probably going to heal themselves once again. So now that they've healed themselves, I'll cast a multi-area attack. And what I want to do is I want to take out their wizard as fast as possible to avoid additional damage to my pet team. Right, yeah, so basically you guys want to take out the highest damage dealer on the enemy team as fast as possible. Once you guys take care of that, you guys won't have to worry about much. And in this, you guys can see we got another trade-off, which is the Solemn Dash is almost dead. And another thing is I can also heal all of my characters up to a ridiculously high amount, so that's also good. Bam, their wizard is dead, which was the highest damage dealer. So now, all we have to worry about is the Solemn Dash and the Ice Sneak. Right now, of course, they won't be able to kill off my entire team, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Ember Shed. I'm going to heal myself 75% health, and get ready to instantly destroy them. Because now the Solemn Dash is going to keep on trying to use the same spell, so let's quickly kill everyone on the team. Alright guys, so over here you guys can see that it does seem like almost their entire team is dead, and Solemn Dash won't be able to cast any more sneaky spells. So what we can do is we can efficiently take out Solemn Dash. Boom. And yeah, so now what will happen is that the caller will be forced to come up forward, and it does have unfortunately a little bit too much health, so I'll need to heal up my Solemn Dash once again. Or not, okay, we won't need to heal our Solemn Dash. Alrighty, let's cast another spell, and now the Ice Creator is almost dead, which is pretty good. So I think we'll be able to defeat this entire enemy team off, and finally move to the rank of Bronze 1. Yes, finally, it has only taken me a ridiculously long amount of time, but I have finally made it to Bronze 1. Hurrah! Yay! Yeah, here we go, we've answered our question correct, and now let's cast our spell. Finally finishing off the Ice Creator. Now that this creator is finished off, we can move on to finally Bronze 1 and maybe make it to the Silver tier next. Boom! Over here you guys can see exactly 1,000 trophies. It has lit up. This is all lit. Let's collect all of our stars, and our Solemn Dash did go up by 12 levels. Wait, no, our Solemn Dash went up by 4 solid levels so far. Wait, no, not 4, yeah, 7. Our Solemn Dash has went up 7 levels over the last 2 days. Levels. English 100. But yes, over here you guys can see we have managed to advance straight to the chest. The flame has lit itself, and now let's open this and hopefully move on to the Silver tier. Oh, we got a buddy. Alright, that's pretty cool. I mean, we did get ourselves a new buddy, and now we've also unlocked the 4th prize, meaning Silver tier is next. You better watch out. Yeah guys, so I hope you guys found this video entertaining and informational, and if you guys did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So what my goal is to make it to like the final level of the gold tier by the end of this, but in 14 days I'll make it to the end of the league, so that's my goal. And yeah, so I think I did pretty good. Let's check the leaderboard, let's see how far ahead people are. Because for some reason it seems like our rewards get even less and less per battle which we do. It went from 11 to 12, which is outrageous. So yeah, it went from 18 to 15 to 12. And hopefully it doesn't go to 1, because then everyone will be pretty annoyed. And let's check our win to loss ratio actually. It seems like we're 109 wins to 53 losses, which isn't too bad if you guys ask me. It's about a 66% win ratio, which isn't too bad, but how is this guy over here? He has a loss ratio of like 90%. How? Like, how are these people even over here? Look at their loss ratio. Wow. Yeah, so that's basically where I rank on the arena, and I hope you guys found this sort of informational and entertaining. And if you guys did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a humongous thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, I will be catching you all next time. 1DoctorGenius out the house. Bye, and have a good time, guys.